Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to share with you Meta acquiring the AI agent startup Manus for $2 billion. In brief, Meta has agreed to acquire Manus, a Singapore-based AI agent startup, for more than $2 billion, marking one of the highest profile acquisitions of Asia-developed AI product by a major US tech company. This deal ranks as the third largest acquisition in Meta's history following WhatsApp and Scale AI. Let's talk more about the deal. Manus gained significant attention in March of 2025 after previewing an AI agent capable of producing detailed research reports and building custom websites. The startup leverages AI models from companies including Anthropic and Alibaba. Now founded in 2022 as Butterfly Effect with offices in Beijing and Wuhan, Manus officially relocated its headquarters to Singapore after securing $75 million from Benchmark in April of 2025. And this was at a $500 million valuation. The company crossed 100 million in annual recurring revenue in December, just 8 months post-launch. Now, once the acquisition goes through, Manus co-founder and CEO will be assuming the role of vice president and report to Meta's chief operating officer. The company has approximately 100 employees, mainly based in Singapore. Next, let's try and understand as to why Meta is buying Manus. Now, there are a couple of reasons that we have been able to identify. First and foremost, being closing the AI gap. Then there is frustration with internal progress. Then there is buy versus the build model that is being followed by Meta. Then there is revenue generating AI product that is available for sale. And finally, there are geopolitical considerations. Let's try and understand each of these factors one by one. Let's first start with closing the AI agent gap. AI agents, tools that are capable of conducting complex tasks with minimal human input, represent the next frontier in AI competition. Microsoft already operates a popular AI assistant that is Copilot. And when we are talking about Manus AI agent, it claimed that it outperformed OpenAI's deep research when it launched, making it an attractive asset to quickly establish credibility within this space. Secondly, there are reports of frustration with internal progress. Mark Zuckerberg is seeking to beef up Meta's AI efforts after reportedly being frustrated by the pace of advancements at the flagship open source language model that is Llama. The company faced unexpected challenges earlier this year while preparing to roll out the new model, prompting Zuckerberg to pursue aggressive external acquisitions. And this leads us to the next point, which is buy versus build. Now, Meta has approached several AI startups throughout 2025 for potential acquisitions. It did acquire some, which we'll discuss later in the video, and Manus represents one of those successful acquisitions. Manus represents a rare success in acquiring a proven product with demonstrated market traction rather than just talent. Now, why are we saying this? This leads us to the fourth factor, which is revenue generating AI product. Unlike many AI startups still seeking product market fit, Manus already generates 100 million ARR with millions of paying users. Meta plans to continue operating Manus as a standalone service while integrating it into its social media ecosystem. And lastly, let's talk about the geopolitical considerations. While Manus has Chinese founders and was originally developed in China, its relocation to Singapore and use of American AI model positions it more favorably for the US regulatory approval. Meta has confirmed that after the acquisition, Manus won't have any ties to the Chinese investors. With this insight into the deal, let's also look at Meta's 2025 AI acquisition spree. The Manus deal caps an aggressive year of AI acquisitions and investments at Meta. We have a lot of acquisitions that we can talk about, from Scale AI, Play AI, Waveforms, Limitless to Manus. Now, the Scale AI deal was particularly significant. Meta's $14.3 billion investment for a 49% stake valued the startup at $29 billion, more than double what it was worth just a year ago. The deal brought the founder Alexander Wang into Meta as chief AI officer, leading the company's new superintelligence labs division. And this brings us to the strategic pattern analysis that we wanted to share with you. Now, Meta's acquisitions reveal a systematic approach to building AI capabilities. When we are talking about the voice and the audio stack, you have Play AI and Waveforms, which provide voice generation and real-time audio capabilities for Meta AI, AI characters, and wearables. Next, you have the hardware integration, wherein you have Limitless bringing AI-enabled wearable expertise to complement Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Then you have agent capabilities, wherein Manus delivers production-ready AI agent technology with proven consumer adoption. And finally, you have the infrastructure and talent, and this is where Scale AI provides both data infrastructure and leadership to coordinate these efforts. Finally, let's wrap up with the competitive context out here. The AI talent world is getting expensive. When hiring one CEO costs more than most companies' entire market values, we have entered a new phase of competition. Meta now has one of the most comprehensive AI acquisition portfolios amongst the big tech companies, spanning infrastructure, voice, agents, and wearables. The question is whether these pieces can integrate effectively under the newly formed Superintelligence Labs organization. Now, that's what we wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next update.